Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, open Play Store on both. Click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now get this free app from this developer, and when your app is ready, open it. In order to continue, you need to tap on I accept on both devices. Then click on Confirm. Choose Continue and select Allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by choosing OK. Now go to your Samsung smartphone and click on Send at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. On Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, you need to tap on Receive at the bottom next to Send and History. In this pop-up about your ads, scroll all the way down. Click on the best option for you, yes I agree or no thanks, and tap on Close this window. Then go back to Samsung smartphone. On it you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and tap on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. You can also just click on only the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo and tap on Send as well. Finally, click on Got it in the pop-up and select the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to input key on S23 Ultra. Choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. You can also use this key. In order to do that, tap on Input Key section under Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers, you have a lot of time to do it. And connect by tapping on Receive button. Now, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!